7 must-haves for college laundry. Two hampers are a must for college laundry. By sorting white and colored laundry in your dorm room, you'll save a great deal of time when you get to the laundry room. Then when clothes are clean, they are easier to put away or dig through when you get back to your room. If you don't like a collapsible hamper and want a dirty clothes bag, be sure to get one made of mesh. Mesh bags allow your dirty laundry to get some air and not mildew before you get around to doing it. When we start out, most of us grab the same detergent our mom uses at home. You may even want to continue using it to keep that familiar fresh laundry smell while you're away from home. Stains happen. Keep stain remover pens on hand to treat stains as soon as they happen, or at least before you toss something in the hamper. To pre-treat stains before you wash clothes, use a solid or gel stain stick, no spilling. For best results, apply the stain remover to the stain and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before you toss in the washer, gives the stuff time to work. Dryer sheets come in scented and unscented varieties. They help reduce static cling and soften clothes, making wrinkles easier to remove. You can also use scented dryer sheets to freshen stinky shoes and even dust computer monitors. A collapsible drying rack can be used for drying bath towels between uses. There are never enough towel racks in the bathroom, drying rain-soaked coats and even for freshly washed clothes. Most college dryers are set permanently on high heat, and that can ruin sweaters, delicate garments and workout gear. If you aren't comfortable with or pleased about using an iron, get a clothes steamer. A travel-size steamer is perfect for a dorm room. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.